what's guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a special guest that's going to be doing this, and may you come out, Valerie. Hello. Oh my gosh, guys. Hello. Hey guys. I'm gonna be filming video with Valerie, and guys, you know Valerie, she just brought a new kitten. It's black. Look at that, guys. Where is it? Okay, here, let me show you guys. Come on. Valerie just brought a new kitten. So, guys, where's... Oh, there's their kitten. See right there. You see? And guys, he's right there. Guys, he's pretty good. You know. Okay, guys. Oh, and there's Max. Hello, little Max. Oh, hi, little Maxie. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Let me show you guys where the kitten is. She's so cute. Guys, let's see. Look at that, guys. I don't think you guys can really see her. Wait, where did she go? Oh, she's right there. Wait, where? Wait, where? Where did she go? You can see, what? Hey, little guy. Oh, she's right there. See, guys? It's so cute, isn't she? Wait, what, guys? Yeah, she's so cute. Guys, she's the cutest person I have ever met. Valerie, where did she go? Okay, my special guest, where is she? Okay, where's my special guest? Oh, hi, little brother. Our little brother, he's my brother right there. Here. Hi, little bro. Say hi. Say hi, baby. Hi. Oh, Valerie. Yay, my special guest is finally here. Hey, Valerie. Welcome, Valerie. Oh, yeah, you changed your pants? Yeah. Okay. So, guys, it's been pretty good this year. Yeah, guys, we're almost to the Happy New Year, and Max is almost sleeping. Oh, he's dead. No, he's... Oh, look at the little Maxie. The little... kitten is back here. Oh, little Maxie.
I can see, but... Mommy.
Guys, he's just... What?
Mommy.
What?
Does your chair one that's outside?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Can I go sit down?
Yeah, sure. Do you want the blue chair or the red chair?
The red.
Okay, I'll get the blue chair. Okay. There you go. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're just sitting down. Yeah. Okay. I guess I don't have to sit then. Okay, I can't sit. Okay. Good, you're good, baby. Okay, guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video, guys. And I'll upload another video just then. So, you wanna do the intro with me? The last intro?
Yeah.
Okay. What? Wait, can they see you? Okay.